If you need your Squarespace website to display the date as day, month, year instead of month, day, year, you're in the right place. I'm Becca Hartpain from Inside the Square, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a free code snippet that you can use to make sure that your date is displayed like this and not like this across your entire Squarespace website. Now, this code is a JavaScript code, which means if you're using a basic Squarespace subscription, at least at the time of recording this, you won't be able to use JavaScript. So you'll either need to upgrade your basic subscription or find an alternative solution. But if you're using a more advanced Squarespace subscription plan, you're in the right place. Without further ado, I'll go ahead and share my screen and we'll add this JavaScript to Squarespace together. Let's get started. Here we are inside Squarespace, and we actually have two different options for this code. The first option will display the dates as numbers, showing day, month, and then year. The second option uses the month abbreviation. Let's go ahead and get started with this first option, and again, you'll find this entire code underneath this video in the comments. I've pinned it as the first comment below. So I'm going to copy this first code, and over on the left-hand side of the screen, we're going to select Pages, then Website Tools, and then code injection. We're going to paste the code here in the header of our website so it loads on every single page. I'm going to paste the code and I'll select save. The page itself will update, and if we scroll down here, we can see that our blog post in the summary block and our event pages now have days listed as day, month, followed by the year. If we go to our full site preview here, we can take a look at the blog, and we can see that our blog posts now display the date that way, as well as the individual post itself. And on the event page, you can see here that our events, even a multi-day event, is now displaying the date correctly. Now let's go ahead and install the other type of code that we have here. This code is going to create the day and the three-letter abbreviation for the month, followed by the year. I'll go ahead and copy this code out of my site. Again, you're going to find this in the comments underneath this video. I'll paste that code here and select save. The page will reload, and if we go to full screen here, we can see that the summary block now displays day, month abbreviation followed by the year. Same for the events in the summary block. Let's take a look at the individual blog post, and inside an events page, including a multi-day event, we now have the date displaying as day, month, followed by year. Now, one last time where we added this code was our site-wide code injection. To reach this screen from your main menu, I want you to navigate to Pages, then select Website Tools, then Code Injection, and paste the entire code here. All right, my friend, that's it for this straightforward tutorial about how to install that JavaScript code in your Squarespace website so that your dates now reflect day, month, year instead of month, day, year. This code came from CustomCody, the world's first Squarespace code expert AI. Learn more about how you can chat with CustomCody at CustomCody.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments, and most importantly, have fun with your Squarespace website. Bye for now. Good news, Squarespacer. We finally have an AI that truly understands Squarespace. Meet CustomCody. Built specifically for Squarespace users and trained on every nuance of the program, CustomCody is your AI-powered assistant for effortless, expert-level Squarespace customization. Available now at CustomCody.com.